Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we have created the HTML for About Me section. In this video, we will do the styling for it. So let's go to VS Code and this is the About Me section. So let's add some Tailwind CSS classes inside this section. So the first one is text gray 700. I want the text to be gray in color. Okay. Then I need some margin from top. So margin top empty -20. Okay, now the text color is gray. Now this is the h2 tag. So let's add some Tailwind CSS classes here. So text that is going to be 6XL. Then I need the text to be in center. Then I need margin bottom 2. Font should be bold. And text gray. Already I have given 700. So that will take it. Okay, so now we have completed the h2 tag. Now let's go back to VS Code and this is the main div. Okay, so let me add a comment here. So main content div. Okay, so here I'll add some CSS classes, Tailwind CSS classes. So I need flex. Okay, items need to be center, BG gray. I need the background color to be BG gray 900 and need some padding. Okay, so padding 10. Save this, go back. So as you can see, we are getting the BG color as gray. Okay, then we got some padding and flex will make this item side by side. Okay, this is the left section and this is the right section. Okay, so if I add flex here, so this div and this div will be side by side, so left and right. Okay, now let's add some CSS Tailwind CSS classes inside this div. So this is the left section, so I need flex. Okay, items center. Let me save this. Let's go. Okay, so here is about me. Okay, let's continue. So now I need text to be left align and I need flex grow. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so we have not seen much changes. So let me add some Tailwind CSS classes in about me title. So text size should be 4XL. Text align should be left. Font I need bold and I need tracking to be tighter. So tracking tighter and I need the text to be transparent. Okay, if I save this, as you can see here, this is a gradient color. So that's what we wanted here. So let's do that. So first I will make the text transparent. Then I will add BG clip text. Okay. Then I will add BG gradient to right. Okay, so it will start from left to the right, from green 400 to blue 500. Okay, let's save this, go back. So we are getting this transparent gradient color about me title. Now let's add some Tailwind CSS classes in this paragraph. So class that is going to be margin top I need 3, text gray I need this text to be gray 500, then max width XL. Okay, then I need leading relaxed, then text size should be text base. Okay, save this. So we are getting this. So this is side by side, but we want this about me to be on top of this paragraph. So let's check this out. So here I need width to be full. Save this. So let's go back and see. So this should be flex call. Okay, because we need to stack this h1 tag above this p tag. Okay, so let's save this, go back. Okay, so now and this should be item start. Okay, so it will start from here. Now here also we need width full, so this is fine now. So we are okay with this. Now let's start with the right section. So here is the p tag, but before that we have the div tag. So class that is going to be relative with we need full, flex, grow, and we need max with Excel. Okay, save this. Let's check it in the browser. So everything is fine. Now let's go back and let's add some styling for this. So see, class that is going to be, I need margin bottom 2, text gray 500, and text size should be text base. Okay, so now as you can see, we are getting all the styling for this p tag. So I think we have completed the styling for about me section. So if I go here on this completed project, so here it is. Okay, but we need to do the responsiveness, so that we will do in the next video. So I hope you like this video. So this is it for this video. Till then, take care and bye bye.